This document is the Petition to Exceed credit limit. It's used for students that will go beyond 45 credits in the fall or spring semester and 15 credits in the summer. And you would use this form for a student that is moving quickly through their class, their coursework, and that you know that they're going to go beyond those credit limits. This form is located in the Google Drive with all the other forms for independent studies. So I want to go through and explain how to fill this out. First of all, you're going to start by putting your school information in here, your students' information in here, and then decide which semester this is for and put an X on the box for that semester. And then you're going to fill in the information for the coursework. Okay, first of all, you'll have to decide how many credits is this student going to be able to earn beyond their 45 credits or 15 credits. And then you're also going to, so you'll put that number in here. In this case, it'll be 50, and I'll explain why in a second. Make sure you put your name in here, the 50 credits in here. And then here's why it's 50 credits. And you're going to put the courses that they're currently taking on the left-hand side. So under the master agreement that you've already filled out, you're going to have the classes that you expected they would take in this semester when you first met the student. They're taking, in this case, English 9, General Math, Art 1, Music, Applied Algebra, and Art 1 second semester. So if that were the case, then I would have this filled out, and I'm going to bold that just so you can see those are the classes I'm taking. Again, these would be on the master agreement already, and we're going to assume these classes are for 5 credits apiece. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And they're finishing these classes in a manner that they have time left over to take additional classes. So those additional classes that I'm kind of predicting they can finish would be the classes on this side. So for these classes here, I'm going to add 5. We're going to assume these are 5 credits each, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we have the original 30 credits, which is very typical for a semester, and then we have an additional 20 credits. So that's where we get the 50 from. These classes are classes that are on the master agreement. These classes will also have to be added to an addendum. So if you go to the training part that covers the addendum, it'll show you how to fill out that form for these classes, okay? Once you have the classes in here and here, then you can go down and fill in the rest. So you're doing this coursework at the school you're at, so where are you working? And you're going to fill out the reason why the student is able to do this. They either need it for graduation, which actually everybody needs these for graduation, or that the student's academic pace gives them time to finish additional classes. Once you do that, you're going to attach a transcript of that student's current work, and then send this to your principal. Principal will sign it and date it. Then the principal will send this to the assistant superintendent of instruction. And then that will get signed again and sent back to you. Okay, and that's how this form works. And the reason, again, is because that student is going beyond their credit limit for each semester, 45 for fall and spring and 15 for summer.